this is Sachin Hugar. I am from Gadag. I completed my graduation in Tontadare College of Engineering and I am a 2021 pass out. Coming to JSPIDERS, it is very good platform to learn and get placed. As per my experience, JSPIDER is one of the best training center for irrespective of branches. And coming to faculties, I want to thank Mr. Keshav sir, Uday sir, Bhuvan sir, Sharik sir and Syed Imran sir for teaching us and training us for their irrespective of languages and subjects, and they taught us many things and I got very good experience and I learned many things there, and the HRs and the faculties are very supportive and they gave us very good guidance. Thank you.